Colorize old black and white photos, with just a click. This Photoshop tutorial will show you how to easily convert old vintage photographs into realistic color photos with just a click. Here is Thomas Alva Edison's photograph, which was shot in 1920. I'm going to use this photo for this tutorial. To get started, navigate to Filter, Neural Filters. In the Neural Filter panel that opens, you can choose to work with any of the filters listed under All Filters. In this case, I choose to colorize. Turn on to auto-color the photo. The result was not great, but don't worry, I will show you the tip to get amazing and realistic results. There is an option to click to edit focal points. You have to click on the subject where you need to change color. Color picker pops up. Select color you want to add. In this case, I want to apply brown color to his coat. You may select any color of your choice. Simply add focal points where you need color to apply. Now let's change the background color to teal green. Click OK, once happy with the result. Final step, this is optional, add color lookup to pop the colors. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you again in the next tutorial.